AutoPlan is a cutting-edge scheduling solution for manufacturers, which combines technology with user-friendly features to revolutionize production management. Designed to streamline complex workflows, AutoPlan offers intuitive interfaces that make it easy for people to use. Managers can monitor and adjust schedules quickly and easily, providing full visibility of every job plan to the entire organization. Leveraging advanced algorithms, AutoPlan provides autonomous resource scheduling, automatically allocating machines, materials, and labor based on real-time data and demand forecasts. This reduces human error, minimizes downtime, optimizes resource utilization, and reduces delivery lead times. By integrating intelligent software automation with ease of use, AutoPlan not only enhances operational efficiency, but also empowers manufacturers to adapt quickly to changing conditions, ensuring maximum productivity and cost-effectiveness. Bridge the gap between your operations and technology with InFocus.